Hello everybody, this is Amari with Doing RV. Today we're looking at the Coleman 250 TQ. This is an open design for the toy hauler. You'll have two different kinds which will separate all my videos, which is going to be the closed ones with the garage in the back with the door, and then you're going to have the open ones, which this is here. So as I do more, you'll understand what I'm talking about to make it easier for everybody to understand which model they're looking for. So this one is 29 feet 7 inches, 11 feet 5 inches high. It has a hitch weight of 900 pounds. It's got a dry weight of 5,514 pounds, and it's got an amazing cargo weight, which is 4,166 pounds. Now this unit does come with a 60-gallon water tank, 42-gallon gray tank, 42-gallon black tank. Comes with a queen size bed. It's got a water heater of 6 gallons. The AC is 1,350 BTUs, and it is running at a 30 amp service. Now this is a nice, great, big pass-through. This is a wood frame design. Just to give you an idea how long this is, I'll get a fancy. It's about, let's see here, about 39 inches wide. Let's see how long it is. And it's about 7 foot and 3/4. 7 foot 9 3/4. Now this is the outside. This is tandem. Now the tires I looked at, they're at 2,200 pounds each tires for load weight, which sounds pretty good. They do come with electric jacks all the way around. It'd be great if I had that on mine. Got a nice sized door in the back. You can fit an ATV, motorcycle, dirt bikes, canoes, kayaks, bicycles, you know, or just your camping gear. It's a nice small open design. It's got the nice solid sturdy steps. Now let's take a look inside. As you can see in here, this is what I say, this is the open plan. It's got a nice 3 burner cooktop, like everybody else. Very small oven. It's your refrigerator. Wow, that's a nice size freezer. It's bigger than mine. Nice little microwave. Storage compartment. You got pretty good sized storage compartment. The sink, a lot bigger than I would think it would be. Comes with these 2 seats here. These fold down into beds, and it also folds up. Now let's take a quick measurement of how much room do you have from the wall to table here. Now you have to bear with me, this is my first video doing this, so the more I do it, the better I'm gonna get, and my editing skills will get a little better, so just bear with me. This is 6 feet 3 inches or so, 3.5 inches to this wall here, just so you know what size vehicle or toys that you have is going to fit in here. And then to this side of the wall, you're looking at 7 feet. I don't know if you can see that, 7 feet 8 inches wide. Now, how tall is this unit? Now you can see the max pounds for the cargo is 3,000 pounds for the back of here. So, and from what it's 6 feet 10 inches. 6 feet 10 inches from the floor to the top. Now, let's see what it is for this door so you can actually get your vehicles in here. How big is this entrance? Six feet 4 inches for this back door. And then let's see how wide you can get in here. Sorry for the camera view. Like I said, it's my first one. I'm trying to do this on my own. I'll have a nice laser one in the future, or I can do it nice and easier. And it's 7'3". 7'3" inches wide for that back door, so you know what size vehicle you get in here, or toys. Now let's look at see how wide it is from here to this wall, so you know what you can fit down the hallway if you end up bringing these chairs or not with you. Now for the bottom here, to about there is 5 feet 10 inches. 5 feet 10 inches wide. Now you must consider this is the deepest point for here. So this is 2 1/4 inches. So as long as your tires can kind of pass that. You also have this small section here, so you can easily fit a small dirt bike or some small things in the small little area here. So this is another about 5 feet to the side of this wall here. So then you got another 5 feet there, by another 2 feet 4 inches or so. You got a queen size bed back here. It's got a nice walk around actually. You can actually fit around this place. It's got a nice big open sides there, nice little drawer. Same thing for this side. Bathroom. Try and get some light in here. Now this is a not bad shower. You can easily get cleaned off in here. Try and prop that door open a little bit. You can see as my feet. Yeah, this is only a one-person shower, but you can easily clean yourself off in here. Nice little medicine cabinet. Now, I like this big open area. You can easily get changed in here, which is really nice. Small bottom unit. Toilet. It's kind of nice because you got plenty of room. This is me sitting down. You got plenty of room to do your business. Fire extinguisher here. This is not a bad unit at all. Nice manual fan. Now this is a nice, good unit for you if you guys are looking for this. If you have any comments on how I can make this video better, I will read your comments, see how I can produce these much better for you, and what are you looking for, because my main goal is so I can start going full-time and travel around the country as well. So thank you guys very much for watching this, and see you in the next one.